Good morning to one and all. This is your basic electrical and electronics engineering class. So myself Sindhamati, and I'll be handling your class from today. In your previous classes you might have studied about your 5th unit. So on 5th unit you might have been completed till transducers. Okay, so from this class I'll be handling the classifications of measuring instruments. So from the part of classifications of measuring instruments we'll see from this class. Okay, so what is meaning of this measuring instruments? Okay, so measuring instrument itself says that you're going to use the instrument for measuring some quantities or measuring some elements, okay, electrical quantities. So that is your measuring instrument. So in order to know about the definitions of measurement and instrument, so it is very in a simple way. So measurement is the process of determining the amount, degree, capacity by comparison, okay, with the accepted standards of the system units. So that is the measurements. So what is that instrument? A device, a mechanism used to determine the present value of the quantity under some observation. Okay, that is instrument. So it's just an English dictionary meaning. Okay, just a dictionary meaning of measurement and instrument. So in other words, the measuring instrument is also defined as device used for comparing the unknown quantity with a unit of measurement or standard quantity is called as measuring instrument in an easy form. So what is a measuring instrument is a particular device, for example like a pressure gauge, okay, that is going to measure the pressure. So a device that is particularly used for comparing the unknown quantity, okay, with the units of measurement or standard quantity is called as measuring instrument. So also it can be defined as an instrument may be defined as a machine or system which designed to maintain functional relationship between the prescribed properties of physical variables and could include means of communication to human observers. So these are general definitions of measurement instruments or measuring instruments. So depending upon the application and depending upon the mode of operation, the instruments been widely classified. So for example, if you want to measure voltage, you can use voltmeters. If you want to measure current, you have to use ammeter. So based upon the application what you want to measure, or based upon the principle of that a particular instrument, the measuring instrument has been widely classified. In general, they are classified in two categories, that is absolute instrument and second one is your secondary instrument. So what is this absolute instrument is that will measure the process variable directly from the process without use of conversion. You will not convert from one quantity into another quantity. The process is being directly done. Such instrument will not require comparison with the any standards. Okay, so these instruments are used as standards in the laboratories. These absolute instruments are particularly going to be used as standards in various laboratories. For example, tangent galvanometer. So it's an example of an absolute instrument. So the basic definition gives that absolute instrument gives the quantity to be measured in terms of instrument constants and its deflection. Okay, that is your absolute instrument. So next type is your secondary instrument. So these instrument are so constructed that the deflection of such instruments deflection of that instrument. Okay, the deflection, there will be a pointer that will move from one 0 to some desired value. That is your deflection. That means your deflection. The deflection of such instrument gives the magnitude of the electrical quantity to be measured directly. Okay, these instrument will require to be calibrated with the standard instrument. So when compared to absolute instrument, the absolute instrument does not require to be compared with the standard, but your secondary instrument has to be compared with your standard instrument. These instruments are usually used in day-to-day measurement. So actually what is a secondary instrument is the deflection will give the magnitude of the electrical quantity to be measured directly. These instruments are required to be calibrated only by comparing with the another standard instrument before putting into use. So see, this is your some of the examples of your instruments. And further, the secondary instruments are classified by three categories. They are indicating instruments, recording instruments, and integrating instruments. So we'll discuss these one by one. So what is this indicating instrument? Actually, an instrument that will measure and indicate the magnitude of electricity. So it need not to be electricity all the time. It can be any signal. Okay, the indications are given by a pointer moving over the calibrator scale. So there's some examples are being shown in the figure. So there is an indicating instrument, so which has a pointer, so that is above the calibrated scale. Okay, so what is this indicating instrument? Tells that so the instrument that will measure and indicate the magnitude of the electricity. Okay, the indications are given by the pointer over the graduated dial. So for example, an ordinary ammeter, ordinary voltmeters, ordinary wattmeters, frequency meters, power factor meters. So these are some examples of indicating instruments. So the next category in the classifications of secondary instrument is your recording instrument. So these instrument actually will record continuously the variation of magnitudes. Okay, so in what magnitude the signal has been varying. So the variation of magnitude of the electrical quantity for some definite period of time. So for a particular period of time, so what is that electrical quantity's magnitude has been changing? Okay, such instruments are generally used in powerhouses where the current, voltage, power, etc. are to be maintained within some acceptable limit. Okay, so such kind of applications, these recording instruments are being used. Okay, what is this recording instruments? Are generally used in powerhouses. So you can see in powerhouses where you have to maintain your current, voltage, power, even the load. So it has to be maintained. So these instruments will tell for a frequent of time how much current is being varying, how much voltage is being varying. So depending upon that variation voltage, so whether the load has been increased or decreased, so you can maintain the load. So in such way, these recording instruments are being used. So next one is your integrating instrument. Actually, this integrating instrument will measure the total amount of either quantity of electricity or the electrical energy supplied for a period of time. So that is your energy meter. So particularly we can say that integrating instrument, a big example of integrating instrument is your amp hour meter, or we call it as, or another meter called energy meter. Okay, it will measure your electrical energy for a particular period of time. That is your integrating instruments. So these are three classifications of secondary instruments. Okay, in your next lecture video, we will be discussing about essentials of indicating instrument. So I have been already told you about indicating instrument. Actually, it is going to measure the particular power energy, okay, for a particular time period. Okay, so what are the tasks, different tasks being used, and how the indicating instrument is being essentially working. So that is we'll see in their next lecture video, and thank you, ma. We'll see next class.